Alright, so I've gotten a lot of requests to finish up the cabinet here and make a part two. Um, I ended up just putting it together, and you're going to see the final result. Something happened to the video, so I just figured this would be easier. So anyways, for the hinges I just tacked on these little bullet hinges or whatever they're called, and two of those guys, one on top, one on bottom. As you can see, sorry about the sun glare, there's the bench grinder and then a belt sander on top, and cool little railroad tie handles, I think. Open it up, not super duper organized, but I do have some safety equipment in there, which is important, and a box of junk, and then a cool box of welding supplies. This thing's pretty cool, actually. All the cups and stuff for TIG, and got some parts for some MIG, aluminum, and then working on my plasma one. So anyways, that's the quick video. I got the casters there at the bottom, bolted up through the plate. I did put a shelf in here. That was just a 1-inch square tube, and then I used some plate, some of that same, I think it was like 11 gauge, and for the support, I noticed it was sagging when I put the heavy grinder on there, so I put in a 1.5-inch square tube up on top. Just kind of tacked it in place. Sorry, poor lighting. And this is a cheesy way that I was able to shut the door. I used the little magnets for, I repurposed them. They're for this wooden cabinet, and then those just to hit this other tube here. So, and boom. Pretty tight fit, but you know what? A hammer opened that up a little bit, and it's just a little storage cabinet that was pretty fun to build, and the first one I've ever made, so got to learn some stuff along the way. Alright, sorry it took so long to get out part two, and sorry I didn't get to see it being made, but that is the final result. So, alright, thanks for watching. Bye.